Buongiorno! Today we have butter, cacao, eggs, icing sugar, flour, honey. So we are ready to prepare Assabesi. We put the butter, which has been out of the fridge a couple of hours, together with the icing sugar, and we prepare a paste out of it. Assabesi are sweet in which cocoa and or licorice is present to indicate the dark color typical of this sweet. We work the butter with the icing sugar. We add then honey. In this case we use chestnut honey, but you can also use orange honey or mandarin honey. You add then the egg and the egg yolk, and finally we will add some the dry ingredients, the cocoa and the flour cake. Okay, this recipe is from Luca Montersino. Montersino is an exceptional pastry chef. They are shortcrust biscuit with cocoa. The original recipe is flavored with orange essential oil. I didn't have this essential oil at home, and I used the chestnut honey, both here locally in the neck. When the mixture is ready, that has not to be too soft to work. If it happens to be too soft, then you put in the fridge about 10 minutes. Then with a sac poche, make some donuts, kind of, on a plate, cover with a baking paper. Space the biscuit between them because they will grow a little during cooking. Bake in a preheat oven at 190 degrees for about 12 minutes in a ventilated oven. This is a fantastic biscuit. You will not regret to prepare it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and have a lot of fun. Ciao!